Hi.
What's your name?
I'm Bob.
And what's your name?
I'm Sally.
And what are you called together?
Bob and Sally.
And what age are you, Bob and Sally?
16 and 17.
Oh,
Please subscribe.
We like subscribers.
We're gonna sing Payphone because we're really bored.
And we like this song because
Okay.
it's a guy talking in a payphone.
You know, I don't get why he just doesn't call home, but okay.
He's trying to call home. That's the whole point of the song.
Well, he should have called. Okay, go.
And a
Payphone trying to go. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? I know it's hard to remember the way that we used to be. It's a picture that you're not here next to me. Is it too late to face it? You say it's too late
I
to
don't know
try.
where it's shite.
God don't break all of my rages, and now I've wasted my nights. You turned out the lights, now I'm paralyzed. You're stuck in my time that people in love with. The sunset in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to go home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Happy ever after did exist. I will still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of shit. All the fucking love songs I'll be sick. Now I'm at a payphone. Tomorrow you forgot yesterday. Da, 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 da. You just gave it away. Good. Technical difficulties. Go back on. I've wasted my life. You turned down the lights. Now I'm paralyzed. You're stuck in my time that people deserve. Stop. And the sunset in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to go home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's so wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever afters did exist, I would still be holding you like this. Well, all those fairy tales are full of shit. I'm a fucking love song, I'll be safe. I'm at a payphone. Rappers. Smiling up.
I like this part of the song. Pity I can't rap though.
You ready? Let's go. I'm at a payphone trying to go home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's so wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Where happy ever after did exist, I will still be holding you like this. Well, all fairy tales are full of shit. One more fucking love song, I'll be sick. I'm at a payphone. Please subscribe, we love you.
Subscribe.
Bye.
Like Weirdo.
Oh, my neck.